This video shows you how to group a set of Microsoft PowerPoint animations together. Grouping animations to run at the same time. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. Open your project. Go to the slide with the objects you want to animate. Click Animation pane. Select the first object to animate. Select the animation you want to apply. Click the down arrow next to the object. A menu will expand. Select Start with Click from the menu. This will make the animation begin when you click on it while presenting. If you want to customize the transition further, click Timing from the drop-down menu. This will open another window where you can control delays and animation duration. Select the next object to animate. Click the down arrow and select Start with Previous. This makes the selected object animate at the same time as the previous. These two animations are now grouped together. Repeat steps for objects you want to animate together. You can preview your animations by clicking Play From. Animating a group of objects. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. Select the objects you want to group. Hold Ctrl as you click to select multiple objects. This should create a black square outline around each object. Click the Format tab at the top. Click Group and Group again from the menu. This will group together all of your selected objects. Click the Animations tab at the top. Select an animation that you want to apply to the group. This will apply the animation to your grouped objects. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.